Kia ora koutou katoa, ko Cornell Tukiri tōku ingoa. Kia ora everybody, my name is Cornell Tukiri. I'm the Senior Māori Advisor here at Climate Connect Aotearoa. Now today, I've got a very special guest with me, Dan Te Whenua Walker. Nau mai haere mai ki tēnei kaupapa.
Kia ora.
Yeah, first question's, ko wai koe, no whea koe. So, who are you and where are you from?
Tēnā koe hoa. It's awesome to be here with you and this beautiful kaupapa of what you've created. I'm really proud of you and the team of what you're doing here. So kia ora for that. Tēnā koutou katoa. He honere korore ki te atua e maungaro ki te whenua e wakaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa o kono wea o kono wai te e Māori ora. Ko wai au, huri wake ki au no ngā iwi kei raro e te korowai te manga titoea, ara ko te waka Aotea, ko tito ko wari te tangata, ko manu ia kai ta apu, ko Ngāti Roa Nui Ngā Roi Inirangi Uki Iwi, ko tuku kuia no Ngāti Kahungunu ki Wairoa, me tūhaurangi, ko tuku koro no Tainui me Maniapoto, ko tuku pāpa no ngā kaipuku Wikitoria, ko Ngāti Pākehā tōna iwi. Ka puta mai kou ko Dan Te Whenua Walker. So kia ora whānau, kia ora bro. So I come from Taranaki, and I talk to my mihi in terms of I come out from underneath the protective cloak of my maunga, Mount Taranaki, and pay homage to all the mountains and all your mountains and all the mountains of the whānau watching. And Mum moved down to Christchurch with the Māori Trade Training Scheme and grew up down in Christchurch. And she met my dad, an awesome Pākehā fella from Scotland and Ireland, so I mihi to my wakapapa through there as well. And grew up down there quite disconnected to who I was, away from my marae, didn't have my reo, and also quite fair looking as well, so a little bit kind of bit of an identity crisis, so to speak, not really feeling like I was brown enough or white enough, and that kind of plagued me in my sort of early years. But moving up to, I did connect with an amazing wahine, Michelle. She's my wife, and we moved up here 15 years ago to Tāmaki Makaurau, and been up here for 15 years. All three of our children have been born up here, and we feel very lucky to be able to live in this beautiful whenua.
Kia ora. Oh, ngā mihi, your kōrero is reminiscent of a lot of kōrero, I think, with us Māori. Some of us connected, some of us disconnected, but finding it is a real treasure. So
Aye.
Yeah. Tell me a bit about we're here at your mahi, at your workplace, Microsoft. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
Aye. Well, in terms of this space, so we opened up this Microsoft building roughly around just under 10 years ago, and it was opened by Ngāti Whātua at the time, and we've slowly but surely upgraded it over the years and made it more inviting and more supportive for welcoming guests. Microsoft has, this is Microsoft House that we're in at the moment, but we have the top 2 floors, and we try and make it a space where people can come in and do learning here. We run events in here, we bring schools in and run coding sessions. We run Minecraft sessions here as well, learning how to code in Minecraft. I also brought my whānau, so we've got a technology hub back in Hāwera called Tūnui Code, and so we brought our whānau in here and did some 3D printing wānanga. So we try and make it a space for the hapori, for the community here. But Microsoft is obviously a global player. We have a strong market here in Aotearoa, over $1 billion in terms of the size of the business here. But we also have staff here, about 150 staff based here. And my role is, I started out looking after the cloud. That was my sort of forte, is understanding how the cloud works, how we can use the cloud to benefit Kiwi organisations, and how we can use it to enable community as well. And I was in that role for 2.5 years, and then moved into the partner space. So now I look after our partners here in Aotearoa and Australia. At the start of this year, I picked up Australia as well. So roughly just under 12,000 partners, and we've got a huge ecosystem, Microsoft, and amazing people, amazing organizations in that partner ecosystem, and we're really lucky to have a space in there. In terms of my other hat, is I'm the Indigenous lead, and work with our team here. We've got a team called Wakahaurua, which is our whānau who are really driving towards Māori and Pasifika initiatives, and what Microsoft can do to support those community, our customers, Māori customers, Pasifika customers, as well as our employees as well, in terms of helping them on their enablement, their cultural competency journey, and a variety of other initiatives around that too.
Wow, it's a lot of hats.
Yeah, a lot of hats, bro.
Can't wait. So you're obviously working in a very exciting area around in the technology space. What's the sort of, I guess, the first question around the big picture trends you're seeing emerge where sort of tech and climate are concerned, and especially in the Māori space? Is there anything that you're seeing at the moment in that area?
Yeah, we can't go past AI. Cloud is sort of it's a way of doing business. It's an inability to create efficiencies. It's an ability to iterate or do things quicker. But AI is going to be, for me, a great enabler for our people, Māori and non-Māori, in terms of how we can really address some of these big issues, whether it be poverty, whether it be learning difficulties, like my son's got dyslexia, whether it be cancer. Again, my other son had cancer. I think AI is going to give us that great leap to start addressing some of these. And obviously, the biggest issue of our time is going to be our climate. And I'm already seeing some, for many years there's been a lot of great things out there and Microsoft solutions in this AI space, but it's going to be able to go to another level when we think about agriculture, which is New Zealand's, Aotearoa's biggest industry or sector, and then even for Māori though as well, we've got many whenua land trusts, we've got a lot of our Māori land, using AI and the management of that, how we can use it for things like forecasting, looking at the health of our whenua, our water, and using some of the data points that we've got to be able to actually look into the future is going to be really a massive opportunity for us. I guess the last one is I see opportunity in how we can enable whānau to move away from some of the industries that have caused a lot of the climate issues in the world.